Next question is from Ayush Mahera. He's asking, what do software developers do at work? Ayush, software developers are foot soldiers of software development industry. So basically, in general, almost all the software developers do three main tasks. Number one, requirement analysis. Number two, coding or development. And number three, testing, or you can say unit testing, not testing, not actual testing, integration testing, but unit testing. And these three processes basically differ from company to company. So to manage these processes, different companies use different tools. We call them project management tools, and those things are managed by a project manager. However, the regular like general roles and responsibilities, or you can say general responsibilities of a software developer is to gather requirements and analyze requirement. And by analyze requirement, I don't mean that analyze the requirement of whole software, analyze the requirement of only that portion of the task given to them. So they analyze the requirement of a particular task, then and what they do in that requirement analysis is basically they analyze that what all code changes they need to do and where they need to do that changes in the application. Then they write code to do those changes, or if they get a new requirement or if they have to create a new screen, so they do all the coding of that, and then they write unit test cases to test those particular components of code which they have written. And then unit testing is also not used, like not implemented, or you can say not follow in all the companies. It depends on companies to companies. Many companies or many developer of many companies, they don't write unit test cases, but in general it's a best practice to write unit test cases. But so general role, as I say, is like 70 to 80% of developers do requirement analysis and coding. Software developer do requirement analysis and coding, and I would say that 10-20% who are in some big companies or good companies which follow best coding practices, they do all the three, that is requirement analysis, coding, and then writing unit test cases. And of course, one task which is updating all these tasks in whatever task management software they are using. They like mention the time used in that task management software. So these are the general responsibilities of a software developer. 5 to 10% software developers also do some kind of research work. These are primarily a few experienced software developers. So if a software developer has 5 to 6 years of experience, they usually do some kind of research work. I won't say like popular research work, we term it as research work, but basic what they do is they go through the documentation of the software or documentation of the language to implement any complex feature which is not implemented by default in that application. So if any complex thing they have to write, they do some kind of reading and documentation reading and example development, and they call it as research work. But that is always done by only 5 to 10% of developer. 80 to 90% of developers do only these three things, that is analysis of like code analysis, requirement analysis, then development, and then unit testing. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family, and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.